Good morning, student. In the previous video, we complete our practice set 17. Practice set 17 हा मागच्या व्हिडिओ मध्ये आपण कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. तर आज आपण या चॅप्टर मध्ये अपोजिट रेज हे बघणार आहोत. अपोजिट रे. सो बिफोर स्टार्ट दिस अपोजिट रे, अपोजिट रे सुरू करण्यापूर्वी तर पुस्तकामध्ये बघा, डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. इफ अ स्टेटमेंट इज अ राइट, गिव एन एक्झाम्पल. इफ इट इज अ रॉंग, स्टेट वाय. तर बघा यामध्ये काय दिलेलं आहे बघा, या स्टेटमेंट मध्ये काय दिलेलं आहे, टू acute angle, two acute angles can make a pair of complementary angles. बघा हे स्टेटमेंट दिलेलं आहे, टू acute angle can make a pair of complementary angle. हा स्टेटमेंट दिलेला आहे. इज इट राईट और रॉंग? हे जे स्टेटमेंट दिलेलं आहे ते राईट आहे की रॉंग आहे हे आपल्याला डिसाइड करायचं आहे. दोन acute अँगल बघा, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल म्हणजे आपण काय बघितलं होतं मागच्या व्हिडिओ मध्ये, if the measures of the two angles means the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, then we say that they are the complementary angle. Okay, they are the complementary angle. तर आपण एक्झाम्पल देऊ शकतो का? टू acute angle can make a pair of complementary angle. बघा हा 60 आहे, 60 डिग्री, आणि दुसरा acute angle आहे 30 डिग्रीचा आहे. म्हणजे आपण याला काय बनवू शकतो, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल बनवू शकतो. टू acute angle can make a pair of complementary angle. बघा त्याच प्रकारे बघा दुसरा अँगल दिलेला आहे 70 आहे आणि एक अँगल 20, म्हणजे याचा सुद्धा आपण कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल बनवू शकतो. ओके, नंतर बघा acute अँगल 80 आहे आणि दुसरा अँगल 10 आहे. ओके, तर याचा सुद्धा आपण acute अँगल बनवू शकतो. मीन्स द स्टेटमेंट इज अ राईट. जो स्टेटमेंट दिलेला आहे ते काय आहे, राईट आहे. सो इट इज अ राईट and you have to write the example. If the statement is right, then you have to write the examples. Okay, so we can write the angles of measures, angles of measure 60 degree and 30 degree form a pair of complementary angle. Form a pair of complementary angle. Okay, याच पद्धतीने आपण 70-20 घेऊ शकतो. ओके, so we have to write one example. One example is sufficient to write to prove the statement two acute angle can make a pair of complementary angle. Okay, now from this book 6 statements are given. So from this 6 statement we will take 2 or 3 statement, we will take, and remaining one you have to check whether they are complementary or the supplementary. Given statement is right or wrong, that you have to decide. Now see here, the second statement, two right angles can make a pair of complementary angles. Second statement दिलेला आहे बघा, two right angles can make pair of complementary angle. Okay, this is a statement. Complementary angle स्टेटमेंट दिलेलं आहे. तर बघा, टू राईट अँगल कॅन मेक पेअर ऑफ कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल. आपण काय म्हटलेलं आहे, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल म्हणजे द सम ऑफ द टू अँगल इज 90 डिग्री. जर दोन राईट अँगल आपण घेतले, बघा दोन राईट अँगल आपण घेतलेले, तर त्यांची टोटल किती होते बघा. इफ यू कन्सिडर टू राईट अँगल, देन their sum is 180 degree. Okay, so we cannot say that this statement is right, this statement is wrong. Two right angles cannot make a pair of complementary angle because they make a supplementary angle. ते काय फॉर्म करतात, सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल फॉर्म करतात. यावरून तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल. ओके, दोन राईट एंगल्स cannot make a pair of complementary angle because they make a pair of supplementary angle. हे यावरून सिद्ध होते. ओके, तर आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल लिहिता येईल, म्हणजे आपल्याला लिहिता येईल, इट इज अ रॉंग स्टेटमेंट. इट इज अ रॉंग स्टेटमेंट. ओके, because two right angle make a pair of supplementary angle, not a complementary. Because two right angle make a pair of supplementary angle. ओके, तर they cannot make a complementary angle, they make only supplementary angle. Okay, so take a screenshot and write in a notebook. Now the next statement, I am writing the next statement. Next statement is here. Two right angle can form a pair of supplementary angle. Two right angle angles can form a pair of supplementary angle. Just now we see in here. Okay, दोन right angles supplementary angle form करतात का, हा स्टेटमेंट आहे. So it is a right. Okay, the given statement is right and we have to write the example. Okay, the angles of measure measures 90 degree and 90 degree. 90 degree and 90 degree form a pair of supplementary angle. ओके, दोन राईट अँगल त्यांची जर बेरीज केली आपण, तर ते काय होईल मग, दे आर द सप्लिमेंटरी. 90 plus 90 degree means what we get, 180 degree, means they form a pair of supplementary angle. Okay, now the next statement is given in the book, that is one acute angle and one obtuse angle. One acute angle and one obtuse obtuse angle, one obtuse angle can form a pair of supplementary angle. Pair of supplementary angle. Okay, this is a statement. Okay. So one acute angle and one obtuse angle can form a pair of supplementary angle. हे आपल्याला चेक करायचे असेल तर बघा आपण काय बघितलं सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल मध्ये बघा suppose this one are 10 degree and this is a 70. If their sum is how much 1 degree, means this is a which type of angle? This is a obtuse angle and 70 degree is the acute angle. It means that they form the supplementary angle. Okay, they form the supplementary angle. So by this example we can say that one acute angle and one obtuse angle can form a pair of supplementary angle. Okay. तर आपल्याला लिहिता येईल the angles of measures 110 degree, and we can write any example. We have to take the one obtuse angle and one acute angle. Okay, so angles are only you have to write one example. Okay, we can write many examples. So angles of measures 110 degree and 70 degree can form a pair of supplementary angle. Okay, they form a pair of supplementary angles. So like that we can say the other statement also. You have to check the other statement whether they are right or wrong. If they are right, you have to write the examples. Okay. If they are not, you see here, two right angle can form a pair of supplementary angles. Yes, they form the pair of supplementary angle. One acute angle and one obtuse angle, they form also supplementary angle. So the next statement is given, two acute angle can form a pair of supplementary angle. This is a statement. Two acute angle, जर दोन acute angle घेतले आपण ते supplementary pair form करतात का? It is a wrong. बघा मी 70 डिग्री आणि 60 डिग्री घेतलं, यांची सम किती येते बघा 130 येते. ओके, 130 येते. याचा अर्थ काय होईल? दे डू नॉट फॉर्म द सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल. ते सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल फॉर्म करणार नाही. ओके, now the next topic, that is the opposite ray. Okay, take a screenshot and write in a notebook. Add another statement, you have to check the another statement. Like that you have to check another statement from the book and write. The next topic, that is the opposite ray. Opposite ray. Okay, opposite rays. Okay, the opposite ray कोणाला म्हणायचं? How we say that the rays are opposite rays? Okay, let us see the example. Okay, okay, so this is a O and A and this is a B. And second one, figure C or second figure, here M and here P and here Q. Okay, two figures are given here. Okay, now opposite ray means what? Here also ray OA and ray OB, no doubt, and here ray MQ and MP and MQ are the two rays. But opposite ray means what? Two rays. See here also the common origin. Here also the common origin. Okay. So opposite ray means the rays, two rays with a common origin, and they form the straight line. Then we say that they are the opposite ray. Now look here in the figure number 1. Figure number 1 मध्ये काय दिलेलं बघा, कॉमन ओरिजिन आहे. देयर इज अ कॉमन ओरिजिन, नो डाउट, but they do not form a straight line. So figure number 1 and figure number 2, from figure number 1 and figure number 2. So figure number 2, MP and MQ are the opposite ray, but OB and OA are not opposite ray because they do not form a straight line. ते स्ट्रेट लाईन फॉर्म करीत नाही. त्यामुळे फिगर 1 मध्ये जे रेज दिलेले आहेत ते अपोजिट रे नाहीत, आणि फिगर नंबर 2 मध्ये जे दिलेले आहे ते आर द अपोजिट रे. ओके, then you have to write here opposite ray means what? So in figure number 1 they are not the opposite ray. Figure 1, in figure 1, okay, in figure 1 rays OA. Now look here how I read here, rays OA, not a ray AO, because why? O is the origin, O is the starting point, origin. Okay, so I am reading from OA, not AO. We cannot read like that, AO, ray AO. We can read ray OA. So ray OA and ray OB and ray OB are not opposite rays. And in figure number 2, rays MP and ray MQ are a opposite ray. Ray MP and ray MQ are opposite ray. Okay, so how we define this then? Opposite ray, two rays with a common origin and form a straight line called as a opposite ray. Okay, so we have to write the definition of opposite ray. Okay, two rays with common origin and form a straight line. Okay, write it properly. Straight line. Form a straight line said to be said to be opposite rays. Are said to be opposite ray. M is the common origin. Okay, and PQ is a line, straight line. PQ is a straight line. So therefore, ray MP and ray MQs are the opposite ray. Okay. So take a screenshot and write in a notebook. Okay. Now see the practice set 18. Okay, practice set 18. Maybe question number 1. So write a question number 1 from the book. Okay. Practice set 18. Practice set 18. Okay. So from the practice set 18, question number 1. So what is in the question number 1? Name the pair of opposite ray. Name the pairs of opposite rays. Rays in the figure alongside. In the figure along side. Okay. First of all, draw the figure. Figure draw kara. Okay. Draw the figure. Draw figure properly with the help of scale and pencil. L, M and N, P. Here T. Okay. So we have to write the pair of opposite ray. Which are the opposite ray? Already we seen the definition of opposite ray. Two rays with the common origin. Two rays with the common origin and form a straight line. Look here. P is the common origin here. P is the common origin and they form the straight line. So which are the ray then? Ray P1 and ray PT are the opposite ray. Ray PM and ray PL are the opposite ray. Okay. So you have to write here answer. Ray P and ray PT. Ray PT. Okay. And the second pair, ray PM, ray PM and ray PL and ray PL are the pairs of opposite ray. Okay, are the pairs of opposite ray. Okay, ray PN. Okay, ray PN and ray PT. Ray PM and ray PL. They are the pair of opposite ray. We cannot say that ray PN and ray PM are the pairs of opposite ray because even though there is a common origin, but they do not form a straight line. They do not form the straight line. So we cannot say that PN and PM are the opposite ray, or PM or PT are the opposite ray, or PL or PN are the opposite. We cannot say that these rays are the opposite ray because they do not form the straight line. Okay, even though there is a common origin, but they do not form the straight line. So we cannot say they are the opposite ray. Okay. Now the next question, second number 1. Okay, from the first figure only. And the second, what is the second question here? Are the ray, just now I tell that, are the ray PM and PT. PM and PT. Okay. Opposite rays. And give reason for your answer. And give reason. Okay. And give reason. Okay. Are they PM and PT? See here, just now I tell. PM and PT. They are not the opposite ray. Just now I tell. So, ray PM, you have to write the answer. Ray PM and ray PT are not pairs of opposite ray. Pairs of opposite rays. Why? Because they do not form a straight line. Because they means rays. Okay. They do not form a straight line. Okay. So take a screenshot and write in a notebook. Okay. So today we complete the practice set 18. So we have to write the practice set 18. Okay. And definition of the opposite rays and the statement, whatever statement I have given. Okay. That statement you have to write. Okay. And also whatever statement left, that you have to check whether they right or wrong. Okay, if they right, we have to write the examples. If they wrong, then why they that statement is a wrong. Okay, that you have to write. तर ते तुम्हाला वहीत लिहून काढायचे आहे. Okay. So till then, goodbye.